Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. If you love the convenience of Keurig but miss it when you have company over, Keurig has come out with the K-Duo machine. Now this machine is really great because you have the option to make a full pot of coffee or continue to use your Keurig pods. The coffee maker has a generous water reserve in the back, and it has options for making a 6, 8, or 10 cup pot of coffee as well. You can use all of the K-Cup features from the K-Cup side, including the removable tray, which is great if you have a really big cup and you need to make a really big cup of coffee for the morning. The machine is nice and responsive. The coffee starts making almost immediately after you press the button. It does not let you make the pot as well as a Keurig at the same exact time. However, as soon as you're making one or the other, when you're done, you can go ahead and switch right over to the other side. So if you're looking for that option of doing both with your Keurig maker, this is a really great machine. It's really sleek looking and responsive, and it has that great function of being able to do the whole pot of coffee or just your K-Cup size. Great machine from Keurig. It's nice that they came out with this version, but that's just my point of view.